Ramadan Kareem, my darlings. Mwah. I'm here with the gorgeous Ola, and we're going to show you a trick. This Pillow Talk eyeliner is amazing. It's a chocolate, but it's not a chocolate. It's got a berry color in it, and it literally, when you put it on, it pings your eye color. I am obsessed with eyes because eyes are the windows of the soul. Ola has the most beautiful eyes, and this eyeliner is so beautiful. I'm gonna show you how to use it like the feline flick. Everyone needs this for Eid. Take this in the inner corner, and then we're gonna take this liner and we're just gonna drag it across the top of the eyes, and then I'm gonna link it up in the outer corner here. Now I'm going to use my amazing Pillow Talk palette of dreams, and this is a hypnotizing pink diamonds. This I do all the time on my celebrity clients, and you just pop it like that, because they are just one swipe wonders. Would you say that like loads of your girlfriends love these colors?
I think you've mastered nude in every single shade.
I am the queen of nude.
You're the queen of nude.
And that's why Pillow Talk is the perfect shade for Eid and the world. Habibti Ola, darling, I'm gonna show you how to blush and glow. Darlings, do you know about these? These are viral sensations. They are amazing. You just put one dot, this, my amazing highlighter, and we just do 2 dots like that up there, and then we blend this together. Darling, you look Jamila Habibti, mashallah. Stunning. Like
wow.
Satin, dreamy, moonlit skin.
I love it.
Pillow Talk, darling, what are you gonna do? Habibti, mashallah. This is Pillow Talk medium, and Ola already has it on. You're obsessed with this, right?
I love it. It just feels like my lip, but 100 times better.
You literally said the words of why I created Pillow Talk. When I created Pillow Talk, I literally was looking at studying people's lip pigments, and that's why one lip liner and lipstick is sold every 6 seconds around the world.
Wow.
I love this lipstick because it's a matte Revolution lipstick. It has a secret ingredient called the lipstick tree, which is super hydrating, and it also is a self-contouring, and it's shaped like a lip liner, so it's really easy to self-applicate. Ola, darling, I can't wait to show you this. This is my new Pillow Talk Plumpgasm. 93% plumper looking lips immediately when you wear it. Why? Because, darling, it has inside this my new heat and ice technology, which immediately plumps the lips. And then it also has hyaluronic acid, which just hydrates the lips. And then it has collagen that literally is like a collagen vinyl. As you wear it over time, it plumps your natural looking lips by 25%.
It feels so good on.
Doesn't it?
I love it.
Shukran for watching. Happy birthday, darling. Happy birthday, Ola. Mwah.